Okay, dear friends in Dhamma, first of all we are going to pay our homage to the Buddha, Dhamma and Sangha and to offer these items to the Buddha's noble qualities. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Namo tanse bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhanse. Namo tanse bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhanse. Namo tanse bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhanse. Homage to the exalted one, the worthy one, the supremely enlightened one. Three refuge, Sarana. Buddham saranam gacchami, Dhammam saranam gacchami, Sangham saranam gacchami. I go to the Buddha for refuge. I go to the Dhamma for refuge. I go to the Sangha for refuge. Dutiyampi Buddham saranam gacchami, Dutiyampi Dhammam saranam gacchami, Dutiyampi Sangham saranam gacchami. A second time, I go to the Buddha for refuge. A second time, I go to the Dhamma for refuge. A second time, I go to the Sangha for refuge. Tatiyampi Buddham saranam gacchami, Tatiyampi Dhammam saranam gacchami, Tatiyampi Sangham saranam gacchami. A third time, I go to the Buddha for refuge. A third time, I go to the Dhamma for refuge. A third time, I go to the Sangha for refuge. Pānāti pātā veramani sikkhapadam samadhiyāmi. I undertake the training to abstain from taking life. Adinādāna veramani sikkhapadam samadhiyāmi. I undertake the training to abstain from stealing. Kāmesu micchācārā veramani sikkhapadam samadhiyāmi. I undertake the training to abstain from sexual misconduct. Musāvādā veramani sikkhapadam samadhiyāmi. I undertake the training to abstain from false speech. Surameraya majjapamadatthāna veramani sikkhapadam samadhiyāmi. I undertake the training to abstain from intoxicating drinks and drugs causing heedlessness. Buddha Vandana, homage to the Supreme Buddha. Itipiso bhagavā araham samma sambuddho viññācarana sampanno sugato lokavido anuttaro purisa dhamma sārati Santa Deva Manusanam Buddho Bhagavati. Such indeed the exalted one, worthy, supremely enlightened, endowed with knowledge and conduct, well gone, nor of the world, incomparable trainer of persons to be tamed, the supreme teacher of gods and men, enlightened and exalted. Dhammavandana, homage to the Buddha's teachings. Swakato Bhagavata Dhammo Sandintiko Akaliko Ehi Pansiko Opanaiko Panchantam Veditam Vinyohiti. Dhamma is well expounded by the Blessed One. Visible results immediately affect you, calling one to come and see, leading onwards, and to be personally realized by the wise. Supatipanno Bhagavato Savaka Sangho Ujjopatipanno Bhagavato Savaka Sangho Nyaya Patipanno Bhagavato Savaka Sangho Samiti Patipanno Bhagavato Savaka Sangho Yadidan Chantari Purisa Yugani Atta Purisa Esa Bhagavato Savaka Sangho Ahuneyo Pahuneyo Dakhineyo Anjali Karaniyo Anuntaram Punyam Kentam Lokan Sati. The Sangha, Buddha's noble disciples, developed their mind to the maximum level with compassion and loving kindness. They had a virtuous life and they dedicated their life for the longevity of the dispensation of the Buddha. I contemplate on their noble qualities. Worship in the holy places everywhere in the world. Vandami cetiyam sambam sambatane supatithitam saririka dhatu mahabodhim buddharupam sakalam sadam. Offering candles and lights to the Buddha's noble qualities and wisdom. Ghanasaram padintena dipena samadam sinam tiloka dipam sambundham pujayami tamonudam. Offering these beautiful and good smell flowers to the Buddha's noble qualities. Vannagandha gunopetam etam kusuma santatim pujayami munim dansa siripada saroruve. Offering drinks and water to the Buddha's noble qualities. Adhevahase tuno bhante පානීයං උපනාමිතං අනුකම්පං උපාදාය පතිගන්හාතු මුත්තම අධිවාසේතු නොබන්තේ ගිලාන පංචයං ඉමං අනුකම්පං උපාදාය පතිගන්හාතු මුත්තම. Prarthana, aspiration. By the power of these good deeds, meritorious deeds, may I always meet with good friends. I never meet foolish people in the world until I attain the supreme bliss of Nibbana. Imena punya kammena mame bala samagamun satang samagamo hotu yava nibbana pantiya. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Dear friends in Dhamma, now we are going to practice meditation. Before our Dhamma discussion class, we practice meditation for 30 minutes. That is the thing that we are going to practice. As you know, Buddhist meditation means mental culture, purifying our mind from negative thoughts. According to Buddhism, there are 3 unwholesome mental states, evil thoughts that disturb our peace of mind. They are greed, anger, and delusion. By practicing meditation, in one side, we concentrate our mind in the present moment, and also we cultivate positive thoughts such as compassion, loving kindness, equanimity. On the other side, we contemplate on impermanence. We reflect on impermanence, the worldly results, worldly reality as it is. Especially, we trained our mind to live in the present moment. The nature of our mind is that it goes to past and future. Always, our mind lives in the past experience, or sometimes our mind lives in the future experience. That is why we have lost the beauty of our life. By practicing meditation, we train our mind to live in the present moment. Not only we live in the present moment, at the same time we cultivate positive thoughts. That is the thing that we are doing here. When our mind is concentrated with positive thoughts in the present moment, we reflect on impermanence. Impermanence means our body is impermanent, our mind is impermanent. Every moment our body changes, our mind also changes. But we don't know this reality when we think something which happened in the past. Suddenly our mind goes to past and we live in the past experience, getting it as permanent or certain. That is why we are suffering. By reflecting on impermanence, we understand, we realize the nature of our mind. When some thoughts come to our mind, as soon as we think something, suddenly we know that now I am reading my mind. Then our mind doesn't depend on outside. Our mind is not fixed in outside things and persons. As soon as we experience something, we look at inside. The ordinary people look at outside when they experience something, but because we have trained our mind, as soon as we think something, suddenly we look at inside. At the same time, we reflect on impermanence. When we contemplate on impermanence, at the moment, we don't depend on any material things in outside. Suddenly, we realize the reality, wisdom, or impermanence. This is the purpose, this is the goal of practicing Buddhist meditation. In one side, keeping our attention in the present moment, we develop positive thoughts such as loving kindness or breathing meditation. On the other side, we reflect on impermanence. Here, we are going to practice loving kindness meditation. According to Buddhism, there are 40 meditation techniques, such as contemplating on the qualities of the Buddha, contemplating on the qualities of the Dhamma, his teachings, contemplating on the qualities of the Mahasangha, contemplating on 4 fundamental elements, earth element, water element, fire element, air element, Patavi, Apo, Tejo, Vayu, and loving kindness, breathing meditation, contemplating on death, contemplating on 4 sublime states, contemplating on the impurity of our body parts. These are the meditation techniques that we can use to train our mind according to our interest. If we have a lot of knowledge about the Buddhist meditation, then we can practice one by one according to our interest in. And here especially we practice loving kindness meditation, thinking, may all beings be well, happy and peaceful. Buddha encouraged us to practice loving kindness at the beginning on the path of liberation. The reason is we mostly suffer because of anger. When our mind is angry, everything that we earned is useless because we have no inner peace. We have no happiness when we are angry. When we practice loving kindness meditation, little by little, we train our mind to overcome anger. On the other side, we develop our spirituality. On the other side, we practice concentration meditation. We concentrate our mind by practicing loving kindness. When our mind is concentrated, it is very easy to reflect on impermanence. When our mind is concentrated, our mind is like an unshaken water. Then it is very easy to see the bottom of our life, what happens to our life, the nature of our life. The reality of our life is impermanence. Every moment, mind changes, mental formations change. Mind arises at the moment, it ceases, and mental formations arise and cease. When we understand this reality, at the moment, we don't depend on anything nor anyone outside. At the moment, be sure that we have overcome aging or decay, sickness, death, and all the sufferings in our life. That is the purpose of Buddhist meditation. Here, first of all, we practice loving kindness meditation as a concentration meditation technique. When our mind is concentrated in loving kindness, we contemplate on impermanence. Okay, please get ready to practice meditation. Please be seated to relax in a relaxed posture. Straighten your body, please. Close your eyes gently and keep your right hand on the left hand. I am sitting in a very pleasant, calm environment. Everything is prepared for my inner peace. I pay my gratitude to the people, those who have arranged these facilities for my inner peace. Now I am aware of my body posture from my legs to head. My legs, knees, hands, belly, shoulders, neck and head. Now I feel breathing in and out only. I keep my attention in the present moment. I don't think my past or future. I keep my attention around the nose with breathing in and out in the present moment. Keeping my attention in the present moment, now I am going to practice loving kindness. I spread loving kindness to everyone in the world, from here to the universe. May all beings at this temple be well, happy and peaceful. May all beings at this temple be well, happy and peaceful. May all beings at this temple be well, happy and peaceful. May all beings in this city, Pasadena, be well, happy and peaceful. May all beings in this city, Pasadena, be well, happy and peaceful. May all beings in this county, Los Angeles, be well, happy and peaceful. May all beings in this county, Los Angeles, be well, happy and peaceful. May all beings in this state, California, be well, happy and peaceful. May all beings in this state, California, be well, happy and peaceful. May all beings in this country, the US, be well, happy and peaceful. May all beings in this country, in the US, be well, happy and peaceful. May all beings in this continent, America, be well, happy and peaceful. May all beings in this planet, the earth, be well, happy and peaceful. May all beings in the solar system be well, happy and peaceful. May all beings in this galaxy, the Milky Way, be well, happy and peaceful. May all beings in this galaxy, the Milky Way, be well, happy and peaceful. May all beings in this universe be well, happy and peaceful. May all beings in this universe be well, happy and peaceful. May all beings in this entire world be well, happy and peaceful. May all beings be well, happy and peaceful. May all beings in the entire world be well, happy and peaceful. May all beings be well, happy and peaceful. May all beings be well, happy and peaceful. May all beings be well, happy and peaceful. I spread loving kindness to everyone in this universe. I am friendly with everyone in this world. I see the world like my family, like my children. I always wish their success, their happiness. I bless them always. My mind is filled with loving kindness and compassion. I am friendly with everyone in this universe. May all beings be well, happy and peaceful. May all beings be well, happy and peaceful. I see all over the world like my family, like my children. I am friendly with everyone in this universe. Every moment my body changed, my mind also changed. Everything is subject to change. Every moment my body arises with the conditions and it ceases immediately when conditions cease. My mind also arises at the moment with the conditions and it also immediately ceases. Every moment my mind arises and ceases. I see only thing which happening in the world is that my mind arising and ceasing at the moment. Every moment my mind arises and ceases. My mind is not alone, it consists with other four things: Rupa, forms, Vedana, feelings, Sanya, perception, and Sankhara, mental formations. These five things are together. They arise together, they five cease together at the moment. My entire life is that these five aggregates, they arise together, they cease together. Rupa, forms, Vedana, feelings, Sanya, perception, Sankhara, mental formations, and Vijnana, consciousness. These five things arise together, cease together. My entire life is these five things. Every moment they arise together, they cease together. My mind is impermanent. Mind is impermanent. Mind is impermanent. Every moment my mind arises and ceases. Arising, ceasing. Arising, ceasing. In the present moment, keeping my attention around the nose, I am reflecting on impermanence of my mind and mental formations. Arising, ceasing. Arising, ceasing. Whatever I think, it means my mind and mental formations. That experience arises at the moment, it ceases immediately. Every moment my mind arises and it ceases. Whenever I contemplate on this reality, impermanence, at the moment I have overcome suffering, I have overcome decay, sickness, death and rebirth at the moment. Whenever I reflect on impermanence, it means I depend on wisdom. Whenever I depend on wisdom, it means I have liberation. Nobody or nothing can disturb my peace of mind. Day by day, I increase the duration of reflecting on impermanence. This is the real success, freedom, liberation, enlightenment in my life. Impermanence, impermanence, impermanence. Anityai, anityai, anityai. Sambe sankhara anicchati yada paññāya pansati ata nibbindati dukkhe esa maggo visuddhiya. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.